disabilities. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule and automate your posts to Twitter. For every algorithm and every feed, whether it's Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, it's important to stay consistent with your posts. So by scheduling and automating your posts, it makes your life much easier. I use this all-in-one platform manager actually for all my accounts: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Google, YouTube, and LinkedIn. So that way you can cover all your social networks just by creating one post. But let's dive into my computer and I can show you how to use it. This is the app that I use to schedule posts. It's called Greatly Social. I'll leave a link in the description of this video, or you can just type in Greatly Social on your Google search or greatlysocial.com in your URL. You'll land on their homepage here. You could browse through whatever features that they offer. In the top right hand corner, you'll see a sign up button. I have a dashboard button because I'm already logged into my account, but you can just click sign up, enter your name, email, in the time zone, which will be set based off of your schedules, and then you'll land on this dashboard page after you create an account. The first step you want to do is on this left sidebar. This is how you can navigate the entire application. You can go down to this account manager page. This will be the page where you'll connect all your social media accounts. As you can see, I have a few accounts connected already, but in this Twitter accounts section, just click add account, and then it'll just kind of bring you this authorization thing with Twitter. Just authorize the app. It will redirect you back to Greatly Social, and as you can see, my Twitter account is connected. Now the next step you can do is go to this post to all page. I like using this page versus using this Twitter post page because on this post to all page I can schedule to all my accounts at the same time. This makes it very convenient. I typically only use this post to all page, but if you want to use the Twitter post page, you can do that as well. The setup is almost identical, so I'll just walk through it here. You want to go ahead and check off the accounts that you want to schedule to. For this purpose, I'm just going to schedule a post to Twitter, so I'll have my Twitter account selected. And then we have the options for a photo, video, text only, or link only post. For this, I'm going to do a photo. Here we can add a caption, and then this next section is where we'll select our file. I'm going to pick a file right from my Greatly Social storage that I already have loaded some photos here, but you do have the option to upload from your computer, Google Drive, or your Dropbox account. Now, since this is for scheduling, you want to go ahead and check off the schedule box. This will give you a couple more options. Click on this time post section. Say I want the post to be scheduled on January 20th. Just click OK. Next, we'll bring in the clock where you can select the time, say 7 o'clock p.m. And then we have the option to choose a frequency up to every 60 days. But for this, I'm just going to use once and then schedule post. Now the post has been scheduled. To view all of our posts, we can go to this calendar page on the left sidebar, and then we can see a little thumbnail here. January 20th at 7 p.m. this post is scheduled for. So this is how I schedule to all my accounts. It's super convenient. It's a great way to drive traffic to all your pages. I have another video I'll leave in the description, how to schedule posts to Instagram. It's almost identical to this, but I show you how you can schedule a month worth of posts within, I think it was 15 minutes. So it's just super easy, super convenient. You can just schedule posts 15 minutes and then you don't have to worry about it for the rest of the month. It's amazing. But I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.